morning. Thank you for calling Usana Hotel. This is Vanaya speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning! Can you please connect me to my friend?
Alright, may I know who's on the line, please?
This is Jonah.
May I know the name and unit number of your friend, Miss Jonah?
She's Marakura and the unit number is 111.
Kindly wait for a while, ma'am. We'll connect you to your friend. Thank you.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, Miss Jonah. Thank you for waiting. Your friend is not answering the call. Would you like to leave a message?
Kindly tell Miss Mara to meet me at the Enterprise Center by 6 p.m.
May I have your contact number, please?
You can contact me at 345-111-888.
Thank you, ma'am. May I repeat your message?
Sure, go on.
Your message is to tell Miss Mara to meet you at the Enterprise Center at 6 p.m. and your contact number is 345-111-8888. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Is there anything else that I can do for you, Miss Jonah?
No, it's done. Thank you.
Alright then, Miss Jonah. Thank you for calling Usana Hotel. Have a great day and rest assured we'll deliver your message to Miss Mara as soon as possible. God bless and stay safe.